Frustrated by the Laxify module DLL error causing localized application logic to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. To start the walkthrough for Laxify module, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Laxify module, frequently found in specialized scientific or data analysis tools to manage localized data smoothing and noise reduction algorithms. If missing, the parent software will fail to process incoming sensor data, resulting in an arithmetic exception or a blank data view window. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Because Laxify module DLL is specific to the localized application logic runtime environment, standard Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program where the error occurs to refresh the application and restore the file. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Laxify module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Laxify module DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Laxify module management. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Laxify module error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.